3-phase hooked up, earth as well. Still have to figure out whether this is the inlet or outlet. I think that's the suction side. I'll get it right one day. Other one, I've just cleaned it up a bit. This thing's lived in a sea container for 6 years only. It's only 6 years old. You can see how we go, first run. Haven't actually tested this yet, so see how we go. A little bit smelly. Refrigerant oil. Yeah. Oops, she runs like a champ. Alrighty, I've just swapped the 3-phase leads around so the engine runs in reverse, and we'll see if it sounds any different. I think this thing's really is a pearler. She runs real well. Just need to find out which way this engine has to run to make this oil pump properly. And I'm not sure whether that's the pickup or that's the pickup inside there in the housing. I'd say that's a filter. Interesting. Gotta figure this out. Maybe if I pull a line off here I'll be able to see whether any oil's moving. Anyway, next step, something else. Thanks for watching.